Hi there, Stu from Q Plumbing Gas. Just wanted to give you a little tip for seeing how much gas you might have left in your LPG bottles. This one's pretty heavy, so I'm pretty sure that one's full. This one's a little bit lighter, so we'll just try and detect how much gas is in there. Now what you need to do is get a container with some boiling water and just pour it down the front of the gas bottle there. And then leave it for a couple of seconds. And what we'll find is where there's no gas, it will be still very warm, and then where the gas level is, it will start to get very cold. So we'll just give it a touch now. Still very, very hot through here. Still very hot, and just about here it's starting to get very cool. So there's a real difference in temperature between here and here, so we know that the gas level is here. So I guess there's probably half left in this bottle. That's a good little tip just to see how much you've got left, to make sure you've got enough for the weekend. Cheers.